From Plateau State.
From Plateau State.
Yes.
Uh-uh.
I,
Okay.
I dey work for Gwarimpa, they do housework for there. Then as my mother call me, say my pikin no well. Na im I tell the woman let her pay me. The woman come pay me. As she pay me, the money no reach. Then I went to my friend. I tell her say abeg if she get money please help me. My pikin no well, I wan send money for them for village. Na im she tell me say she myself her work don stop, she no get any money like that. Then as we dey then she come call me, she say make I come. In the morning time she come call me say make I come. I tell her say this morning wey we wan go. Na she come tell me say toor make we go. As we come go we come enter car, she tell me say make I stay for back of car. We come stay, we dey four. As we come dey four for there, then she dey front, then one come enter. Then the driver go say make dem help dem shift iron for there. If dem help dem, then if the iron no gree do, then she will come comot the woman phone. If the woman see, they will return the phone. But if the woman no see, they will carry the phone go. The first time wey I go, they give me 3,500. The second time wey I go, they give me 2,500. The third one wey I follow them, the last one wey I follow them, na im they give me 8,000. Since that May, na im I stop it. I never go again.
My name is Rita. Rita Joffrey from Plateau State.
Yeah?
From Plateau State. Yes,
Why
sir.
are you in this?
We're here on for case of one chance, sir. We come to work for Abuja. We did not get better work. And I'm single mother. That's how I enter into it to find a money because they tell me that I will get money. So that's how I enter it to get money to send to my son. So that's how I follow them. But I followed them 5 times. Then I stopped the work. It's just 5 times. A September ago, September, that's how I followed them 5 times. And then I stopped the work. So we come to Abuja to find work. That's how we come. Then I do housework. It's 10,000 they used to pay me. And the 10,000 cannot assist me and my son. That's how I stopped the work. Then I come work for restaurant for Use Market. The lady, she don't travel. That's how I stopped the work. Then this lady introduced me to this work. That's how I entered the work. Then when I see say the work is not good, when I follow them for the 5 times, that's how I stopped the work. They used to give me, sometimes they give me 10,000, sometimes 9,000, sometimes 8,000. We used to collect it. I'm regretting it well, sir. I will not even try it, sir. And I will never try it again in my life. It's one person they used to carry. It's
What
one
happened to the
person.
person?
When they collect waiting they want to collect, they drop the person. That's how they
Drop
do it.
all they push you.
No, they never push anybody for my front. I will swear with my life, sir. It's drop they used to drop.
They arrested me in the house.
In the house.
Yes, it's in the house they arrested me
Why did they arrest you?
because of one chance, which is I was working. No, I was working. Then I come fell sick on April. So when I fell sick, all my money I use it. So I can't lack money for feeding. Then one of my friend come meet me one day. She tell me that I complain too much and I never recover myself. Then she now come say that let me she not took me. She said she will go carry me to a daily payment work.
Where is that person? That's your friend.
She's not here.
Then she does one chance.
Yes. She said that she took me to a daily payment work. So when she took me, then as we enter his car, we enter, she said that I will just sit at the back of the car. I will not talk, I will not do anything. So that's how I just sit down. After when they finish what they did at the front, they will carry a lady phone. But if the lady now realize that they carry her phone, they will return it for her peacefully.
Can't you go to the village
I
and
felt sick, not like the work finish, and which I've never reached a month that they will pay me. I even requested for a 1 month payment, which is they are paying me just 20,000 naira. So I cannot afford it for me with my own feeding too. That's why I followed her. When I follow her, I just follow her 3 times since April.
3 times?
3 times. No, I've never killed person. They never kill person at all. They never kill person. They never beat person. I'm just seeing this one now. They never, since April when I did that, I never kill person. They never do anything for anybody. When they will carry me, I'm just sitting at the back of the front, the car. That's what I will just. They will tell me I will just sit at the back of the car. Then the lady that they are front, they will carry the girl, the lady phone. But when she realize they carry her phone, they will give it to her back. But if she not realize, then they will carry the phone and go with it. That's how they did. For my eye, that's what I witnessed.
Ya zo kuma ya ce min ga waya. Na ce a ni ba na son waya. Yace a na siya mana. Na ce wayan waye? Yace wayan sa ne. Na ce wayan ka ne? Yace wayan sa ne. In ce to shikenan. Nawa zaka sayar min? In ce kai ni ba na son wannan waya ma kawai ni ina da karaman waya ni ma da yake tirisin na ce ma tirisin nake amfani da shi. Me zan da itel? In na ka siya itel me zan da shi? Yace da Allah in siya zai tafi cikin gari da kuɗin ne da Allah in yi hakuri in siya. In ce to shikenan nawa zai siya mu? Yace in bashi 25. Na bashi 25 ya wuce. Na bashi 25 ya wuce wannan yazo ya saye ta 4,000 a guri na. To ka ji abin da ya faru kawai aka zo aka kama ni. Shi kenan maganan kenan wannan kuma waya. A sun yi robalin ne a wayan. Mu kuma bamu sani ba. Kuma ana cewa za a kai mu gidan yaro ga mana adalci. A duba mana da Allah kotu ta duba mana. Waga ka ji iya maganan kenan. Ni kawai ya ce mun wayan ne wallahi garanti. Na ce garanti wayan ka ne ce in ce in duba shi sosai na duba shi karaman aital ne. Ko batirin shi ma ba fashi bane. In ce to shikenan. Da aka zo aka kama ni ma saboda dalilin ya yasa ce to in ya zo gurin yan uwana na ga yan uwana dalilin da na sai wannan aital din an zo fa an kama ni idan ya zo ku kama shi ne iya zuwa suka kama shi suka kai shi can police station shi ne kuma ya faɗo yan uwansa yace dare yace mu babu ruwan mu kaga ka tambaye su ma ka ji za su ga ma yace ba ruwan mu a cire mu su ne suka yi abu suka mu waya kawo mana suka ka tambaye su ka ji ga su shi kenan ƙarshen magana ka tambayi
John M. Moses. John Moses. On 25th, I lost my phone spoiled. So I no get money. So as I work for my oga, because my work na talent work I dey do. So as I work, I can't get money. He send me money. I say no wahala, I go find small phone where I go put my SIM inside. So on 25th, now I go Ligbe market. I go meet this guy. I say because I go ask the place where I dey buy phone for him. I dey buy phone, new phone. But that day, the money no dey enough with me. That's why I come meet the guy. I say how far? I need small phone. The guy say which type of phone? I say me I no get any type of phone. Just me I want buy because I no get money. If I get money I go buy new phone, but I no get money. This guy say he get phone. I say no wahala. He say last na 4,000 naira. 4,000? I say no. Whether I go buy or not. I say no wahala. Now I come out the ATM. I go withdraw money 5,000. I go count 4,000. I give her. I carry my SIM put inside. As I reach house, no I woke up. As I woke up, I go to house. So after 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, now I can see police. They come arrest me. So they carry me go River Park. They carry me go River Park. They go call my number. The phone they ring. They say, who get this phone? I say, na my phone. Where you get it? I say, me I buy this phone for Ligbe market. You know the place where you know the place where you buy this phone? I say, yes, I know the person. So now I carry police. Go show this guy. I see the person where save phone for me. So they carry this guy now. Go say station. As we go station, even this guy safe. He know his name, but he know him by face. So as we go meet 2 people inside station. Cell. As we meet 2 people. So those 2 people they ask us, what you bring when I here? Me I tell them say, see now because of small for I tell I buy. Now they come arrest me and see the person who safe for me. So now the guys those people they ask, you know the guy? This guy say because this guy described the person who safe phone for him. So now those people where they inside cell, they know this guy. This one. So now they go arrest this one. This one saying no. So they go look this one. They come arrest him. As they arrest him, so now this guy go show these people, 2 people, they arrest them. They did 5. But me, I never see these people in my life. me na phone I buy. I don't know say na stolen phone. Na it be that. I don't know. Because I never buy second hand phone. But I don't get money, that's why I buy that phone safe.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.